First and the foremost thing is there are students whose performance is not what they're expecting or what is expected to get a good seat in government medical colleges. For example, there are students who are not going more than 100 or 100 to 120 correct answers. So those students who are lying between 100 to 120 correct answers, for them, I feel the first thing that you need to focus on is going back to your basics, going back to the videos or your study content where you go into the concept building. Okay, just doing PYQs, just doing MCQs, just doing BTR is not enough. You need to develop first on the concepts. Conceptual clarity आएगी तो automatically आपका score better होगा. You will be able to mark more answers correct, right? So that is something very very important. Those who are coming between 120 to 140, and then we have 140 to 160. So 120 to 140 is, that means आपने पढ़ाई करी है, you are getting good number of answers correct. थोड़ा सा और better इसको करने के लिए you need to go again. Why you need to go again to the main videos or the main content or rapid revision? Why? Because to attempt those questions, those 40% questions more in the exam, which actually are not from the PYQ, which are not from the repeated years MCQs. These questions are something which are not asked earlier. कुछ नए questions होते हैं. So these questions, if you want to attempt them and you want them to be correct, so for that you have to go back to your basics. Those who are coming up between 140 to 160, they are very good. I mean, I'm sure that थोड़ा सा और effort डालोगे, 7-8 questions और सही कर लोगे तो you'll be getting definitely a good rank and seat in a government college.